Hi everyone! Today we'll be learning how the alphabet U sounds. Are you ready? Let's start! U sounds letter U sounds U sounds letter U sounds For umbrella, I hold my umbrella. For umbrella, I hold my umbrella. U sounds letter U sounds for uncle, my uncle is a man. For uncle, my uncle is a man. U sounds letter U sounds for under, the cat is under. For under, the cat is under. U sounds letter U sounds for up, the sky is up. For up, the sky is up. U sounds letter U sounds Did you enjoy that? Please like and subscribe to watch more videos from Fina and Casey.